Hello there and welcome here to our video at EMO 2025. I am here with no other than Chris Pollock. Chris Pollock is a manager at our Technical Application Center and he's no other than Mr. CNC, so you might have seen him on YouTube already. Chris, we are here at EMO, I said that, and we can see so many different technologies. What is the role of what we can see behind you?
So what you see here is our digital twin software. It's called Run My Virtual Machine, and it is designed to give a user an environment where they can validate the process they're going to be running on their real machine, but they can do it upstairs in their engineering department. And one of the key losses when you're looking at machine productivity is the downtime you experience when you're setting up a machine for a new operation or a new project. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to take something that was naturally done in a real environment and try to lift that into the digital environment. So this way we can anticipate problems that would arise normally down on the shop floor. We can do it up in engineering so the machine itself can be kept running as long as possible, because that's key, right? We want to make sure we're utilizing these assets as much as we can. So the digital twin does that. It lets a user mimic their entire machine process, but they can do it on a PC separate from where the machine tool is.
I see, and I can also assume that this also speeds up the whole process of the manufacturer?
Absolutely, because really what it's doing is allowing the capital equipment, the machine tool, to be working longer before we break it down. The other thing it does is it gives more insight up in engineering as to how the machine's going to behave. And that's always really a challenge, right? When we simulate a basic process, if we don't know the decisions that the CNC control makes, we really can't anticipate what the true cycle time is, whether I'm going to really run into maybe collision issues. This software does that for us. It took the CNC brain of our Cinema control and put it into your PC.
And to make it a little bit more concrete, can you show me how this interface behaves once you use it?
Sure, absolutely. So basically what you're going to do here is we have the virtual NC, that would be just like the control down on the machine, but we also have a full 3D environment. So what I can do is I can bring a virtual vise into the machine, put my tool holders in, put all my tooling in, and then run the programs. Now, whether the programs were programmed out of a CAM system or using our programming method right in the control, I can still simulate and run that all through this software.
So one big question is here, of course, how can we get started? What's the first step here?
Perfect. So I would say the first step would be to go to our CNC for You website. We have a demo version there available, free of charge. You can download it and you can start using the product today. At that point, once you get some comfort, I would reach out to your OEM that's manufacturing your machine tool and get the digital twin file from them. This way you can have an exact duplicate of your real machine in our digital environment.
And I heard that it's even possible to do some training on there, so future colleagues, partners, customers, everyone is already training, right?
Absolutely. I mean, you can imagine it's a lot cheaper to crash this machine than it is the real.
Now, and if that's not convincing, I don't know what is. So thank you so much, Chris, for the interview. And yeah, we're looking forward for you reaching out to help you to find your perfect solution for your challenges.